Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
We cut that out. My name's Jack, and this is Paitin, 23-year-old manager of a coffee shop here in Lymington. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. So today we're going to take the ends off Paitin's hair to keep it nice and healthy, and then we're going for a really cool 70s/90s hybrid with some really cute bangs and then some face shaping. So, something that I have always wondered, and I'm really hoping you can answer this for me, because I haven't actually had a chance to ever properly speak to a barista, but what is the difference between a cappuccino and a latte?
To be fair, they are pretty similar, but a cappuccino is just more airy. So it's how you steam the milk. So a cappuccino's got more air and it's got chocolate on top. And that's kind of the only difference. They are similar.
Is that what the Italians would say as well?
Probably not, no.
Right, I'm looking at the back of your hair now.
Yeah?
And I've got a feeling that you might have cut your own hair.
Yes.
I don't want to be mean, like it's not bad. You
Can
haven't
you
got
tell?
a bad job, but it is on a slight wonk.
Yeah.
You know, were you going for that asymmetric?
No.
No.
It actually wasn't me, it was my boyfriend that cut it.
Oh no, oh
Yeah.
well, don't tell him I said that.
No.
What's your favourite or most crazy hairstyle you ever had?
So I did have some random dreadlocks in my
What?
hair. It was actually me and my friend who we discovered how to do it on YouTube, I think, just for a YouTube video.
You did it yourself?
Yeah, we did it ourselves. And it's literally just this technique of like grabbing a bit of hair and ripping it and twisting it until it makes a dreadlock. Over the sort of next year or something when we had them in, every time we went like on holiday or something, I would get braids added to it, or we went to Camden once and got a rainbow dreadlock like tied in. So I went to get my hair cut at a salon probably like a year after having the dreadlocks, and my mum hated them the whole time I had them. She wanted them out at any chance. And basically the lady in the salon said that she couldn't cut my hair unless I let her cut out my dreadlocks because my hair was so matted at the top.
So did your mum secretly
I don't
pay
know,
her,
it's like
or-
she phoned them before or something and said like you can make her get them out. But yeah, they had to cut them out, and we went through probably a half an hour crying process,
no
me
way.
trying to deal with getting them cut out.
Oh.
But yeah, she had to cut them out, and then I was allowed to keep them at home.
So Paitin, you've got a cool style. Where do you get your influences from?
There is one girl in particular called Matilda Jeff. She's this Swedish influencer who has really cool 90s big bouncy hair, which is what I'm trying to go for.
Nice. That's what our inspo is for the day.
Yeah, exactly. And she's actually got her own brand. It's like a sustainable, ethically made clothing brand in Sweden.
We worked on London Fashion Week this year with KMS for a really, really cool sustainable designer called Vinanomi. They had a piece of clothing that, it's taking sustainability to the max. It actually biodegrades as you wear it.
That is cool.
How cool is that? So you're literally wearing it, it's falling apart, but over a long period of time.
I was going to say, how long?
Yeah.
How long have you got it?
Yeah. You might be naked for at the end of the night, but that doesn't matter, does it? So yeah, we're the same, as a business, for us it's so important to think about sustainability. So the hair that I'm cutting off your head today,
Yeah.
we have a special box that goes into, and then it gets taken away by a sustainable company. They turn them into these sponges they put into the sea, and that soaks up oil.
Oh, that's
So
amazing. I
the
think
hair-
I've seen that actually. Yeah,
so
I've
the
seen
hair
that before.
I'm cutting off your hair today is going to help soak up oil in the ocean.
That's amazing.
How cool is that?
Yeah, that is really cool.
So Paitin, I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse in your hair to prep it, give it some grip, and then we'll get blow drying. So we've got the beautiful blow dry down. Just going to finish it off with makeover spray. This is actually a dry shampoo, but I love using a dry shampoo when you don't want to create any grease in the hair. This is going to help with that really cool volume that we've got. Do you reckon your boyfriend's going to notice when you go home and...
I think he'll know something's up, but I'll have to probably tell him.
Well, see what you think first and then...
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's perfect. And the layers are nice at the back as well. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, it does look really cool.
Yeah, it's perfect. Thank you.
No worries. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the conversation with Paitin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow the KMS Pro channel for more episodes, and I'll see you soon.